Welcome to this tutorial on when to use Wells Fargo online banking. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the benefits and best practices of using online banking to manage your finances. First, let's start with the basics. Wells Fargo online banking is a secure and convenient way to access your accounts, pay bills, and transfer funds from anywhere with an internet connection. You can use online banking to check your account balances, view transaction history, and set up account alerts to stay on top of your finances. One of the most significant benefits of using Wells Fargo online banking is the ability to pay bills and transfer funds quickly and easily. You can set up one-time or recurring payments, and even schedule transfers in advance. This can help you avoid late fees and ensure that your bills are paid on time. Another key benefit of online banking is the ability to monitor your accounts for suspicious activity. You can set up account alerts to notify you of large transactions or unusual activity, which can help you detect and prevent fraud. So, when should you use Wells Fargo online banking? Here are a few examples. Use online banking to pay bills and transfer funds when you are unable to visit a branch or ATM. Use online banking to check your account balances and transaction history when you need to stay on top of your finances. Use online banking to set up account alerts and monitor your accounts for suspicious activity to help prevent fraud. Best practices for using Wells Fargo online banking include using strong and unique passwords, keeping your computer and mobile devices up to date with the latest security software, and being cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your accounts. In conclusion, Wells Fargo online banking is a powerful tool that can help you manage your finances and stay on top of your accounts. By following the best practices outlined in this guide, you can use online banking with confidence and take advantage of the many benefits it has to offer.